Hey there, and welcome to this video. If you play daily chess on the chess.com app and need a break without losing your games, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on vacation mode in daily chess using the chess.com Android app, step by step. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More button. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, tap on the Play option from the list of settings. Now, choose the Daily Games section. Finally, find the Vacation option and turn it on. This will pause your clock on daily chess games and prevent timeouts while you're away. That's it. Now you can take a break without losing your games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other chess.com players. Thanks for watching.